Good morning. How are you today? Are you happy today? Okay. We are ready to start a new class. Okay? This is your language class with Mrs. Erika Acosta. Hello, every student from 3rd grade. This week we are starting a new topic. What is the new topic? Adverbs. Adverbs. Yes. Have you heard about adverbs? Okay, let's learn the meaning. Adverbs are words that can tell. Okay, let's read. Okay, Henry, can you read, please? Are words that can tell when, where, or how something happens. Oh, let's see an example. Okay, you see two pictures. What is showing in the first picture? Yes, we have a girl. The girl has an ice cream cone. Okay? And in the second picture, we have, what do we have? Balls. Yes, balloons. How many balloons do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you describe the balloons? Yes, 1 red, 2 white, and 2 blue balloons. Very good. Now we are going to write a sentence with every picture. The number 1 is, she carefully eats the ice cream. The number 2, the balloons are up. If you see the red words or the words that are in color red, carefully and up, those are the adverbs because adverbs tell us where and how. Okay? So, carefully is an adverb that tells how. And up is an adverb that tells where. Where are the balloons? Oh, the balloons are up. The balloons are down. The balloons are there. The balloons are here. Where is your mother? My mother is inside. My mother is outside. My mother is where? Up. Okay? How does she eat the ice cream? She eats carefully. She eats slowly. She eats how? Quickly. Those are adverbs, okay? Are you understanding? The dog. Let's write a sentence with the dog. What is the dog doing? The dog is running in the river. With this hot season, we are ready to go to swim. Good for those that have pool at home and you can enjoy swimming every day. Be careful. Okay, the dog runs quickly. So, adverb that tells how is quickly. Adverb that tells how the dog runs is quickly. So, we have here, are you understanding? The adverbs tell us when, where, or how something happened. Okay, we have 3 more examples here. Number 1, you see the picture? The children play outside. Number 2, we often eat watermelon. And number 3, the girl happily runs in the park. Okay, now let's circle the adverbs. Outside, very good. Often, very good. Happily, excellent. Those are adverbs. And here I have an example. And this is what you are gonna do. You can go and make a search in Google, imágenes or image, and you can find many adverbs, okay? If you see the first column, we have how. Quietly, peacefully, carefully, slowly, badly, closely, easily, well, fast, quickly, cheerfully. Adverbs that tells where. Above, above, abroad, far, away, back, here, outside, backwards, behind, below, and down. And adverbs that tell us when. Now, yesterday, soon, later, tomorrow, yet, already, tonight, today, then, and last year. Okay? So, this is about adverbs. Tomorrow we are going to work in our readers and writers and then in our grammar and writing. Okay, it's up to you guys if you want to work on page 342 tomorrow. But what I really need is that you understand that theme, that you understand that topic. I want that you understand what adverbs mean, okay? And you can learn every day a new adverb, okay? You can use the adverbs at home when you talk to your mom and to your dad, or you use every day, because if your mom asks you, Henry, or your mom asks you, Diego, where is the ball? You say, it's inside. So you use adverbs every day. Thanks for your attention. Remember to wash your hands with soap and water, to cover your mouth when you sneeze, and to stay home. If you stay home, you stay safe. Okay, hugs my students, and see you tomorrow.